and today I'm here with another weight loss video for you guys. And today I'll be telling you how, teaching you how to make a awesome drink for weight loss. To prepare this, you're gonna need a lemon, cucumber, and some chia seeds, in a bottle. First, take one cucumber, peel it off. You're gonna peel it. You're gonna peel it off. Then we're gonna extract its juice. We're gonna extract the juice. You can blend it. No, I'm gonna blend it. To blend it, you have to cut it up first. You're gonna cut it up. Then you're gonna put some water in your blender to blend it. You're gonna put the cucumbers in. Then you're gonna blend it. Get a container, a jug or something to put the juice in, and then you're gonna get a sieve or a strainer, whatever you call it, and then you're gonna pour it just like this. And then we're gonna add half of lemon. We're gonna add half of lemon. Then you're gonna take your container that you want to store it in. You're gonna put it in. Pour it into it. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seed. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna mix it around. Then I'm gonna take the remaining lemon, cut it up like this. add it to the container. Then you're gonna add some honey. Then you're gonna add some honey for taste. 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon. Sorry. 1 tablespoon. And you want to drink this every night before going to bed, guys. You want to drink this every night before going to bed. Two tablespoons of chia seed have almost 10 grams of fiber. Diet high in fiber have been linked to weight loss. I've been known for weight loss. So diet high in fiber, I've known for weight loss. So yes. So here it is, guys. Drink this every night before going to bed. I promise you guys, you'll see the result. Drink this every night before going to bed. I'm gonna drink mine tonight. Thanks guys for watching my video. Continue sharing, continue liking, and have a good day.